Welcome to Lily Artist English. Today I'm going to show you how you paint pansy flower. First I will demonstrate how to draw them. Just a heads up, these painting are a bit more advanced. If you are completely new to fabric painting, I recommend checking out the class 1 or previous fabric painting videos I shared, okay? Start with those and try easy design. Today we will be focusing on pansy flowers since we have already learned a lot in previous classes. Shedding shouldn't be that tough for you anymore, especially for those who have been keeping up their work. So today let's paint. I will show you the color I'm going to use. Some of them are ones I showed you how to prepare in previous class, okay? And my paid online classes are started from 10 February, day after tomorrow. If you want to learn fabric painting from scratch and master fabric painting, make sure to join that class, and for more detail WhatsApp on the given number, okay? Let's start the painting flower. So first of all, I am filling up with the yellow color. You have to watch very carefully how I am applying the color and where which color is used. So after filling and shading with yellow and white, now I will add a bit of this yellow shade, the darker one I have showed you earlier, okay? So you have to watch carefully. I shade with yellow and white, then adding a bit of dark yellow. You know how to make this color combination, okay? From brown and yellow, and how to mix. I showed in sunflower video, okay? If you don't know, watch that video, you will get to know. There are lots of color combination we can use to paint pansy, but it can get bit technical. So here I'm showing you a simple one, but if you want to paint advanced pansy design, so here you can see on the screen I have already uploaded this, and this video you can get on my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works, a very advanced pansy flower design, okay? After the yellow shade, I am using white and purple here. I am going to show you how you can paint a real pansy with the easy steps. First apply the white, then light purple. How to make light purple I mentioned in the earlier classes, but let me remind you again. If you mix purple and white together, you will get light purple, okay? While painting these type of flower, just keep in mind you will need to practice a bit. I'm not saying it will be super easy, you will nail it in one go, but if you start practicing from beginning, you will get the hang of it. Now pay attention. I have painted two petals, yellow and two purple, okay? Watch closely which color I am going to use for these petal. So the steps here, I am applying white color first and I'm using a round brush here. If you are not comfortable with round brush, you can also use flat one. Try it out and see how it turn out, okay? After painting the four petal, I am starting painting the fifth petal, the bigger one. So first of all, I am applying white, okay? But be careful, how I'm applying white is important, so you have to keep in mind the direction. After the white, we will apply the same light purple and blend it well. The better and smoother the blending is, the nicer your paint will turn out. Then I'm applying the purple color like this. You can blend it together or apply it well first and then create the shade. Now check it out. After applying the dark purple shade, we will shade it carefully. We will take it only to a certain limit. We won't take it all the way to the white or shade will get messed up, okay? Okay, now try to understand this carefully. First, I am going to add dark shade to all the petal to create some depth. Once that's done, I will show you how to do center part. See, it's settling down a bit now because when I painted this petal, the paint wasn't too wet anymore, so the shading will work well. Here, after finishing the shading, I will show you how to paint center part. So first, let me apply light purple shade to the center like this. The brush stroke will only go as far as I showed you in the drawing at the beginning. It will follow the same pattern as I showed you, and it won't go up any higher than that. After that, we will apply dark purple right on the top of it. We will also put it on the side of using the same process. Once we are done, we will clean the brush. Make sure to wash it well and clean it with a cloth first. Then we will take a bit of green and mix with white. Fill in the small pattern we have left like this, and then take white color. Now match it from there to draw on a petal side like this. See how I'm doing it. Once we have drawn it this way, we will use yellow color with a small brush to create little patterns. This is how the center part will look. If you paint it like this, it will give a real pansy effect. Now let's add some detailing. I didn't shade the lower part earlier, so I am adding lines here. And this is our final look for the flower. I have painted the pansy, and now let's focus on painting leaves and stem. I will be using round brush, and I'm using round brush of number 8. I will show it you here. Now let's start. First we will connect the flower to the stem and leaves, then we will paint all other parts. If you are new in this class, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now here we have a very beautiful bunch of leaves, so let's paint it step by step. Take a good look at this leaf. I'm painting it in a different way than before, but you can totally do it easier if you want. First, we applied the dark shade on the outside and then light shade on the inside, blending them together like this. We will blend it well, mix it up, and then apply the color on the other side. The color we are using is light green, and we will shade it inward like this, using the white to lighten the green. Then we will blend it from inside. Now, from the little portion we left, we will use darker color and blend it outward like this. It really easy steps to paint some lovely leaves. Now let's go ahead and paint the other two leaves. First we are going to apply the green color like this, then we will use the light green. After that we will shade it with the sap green. Got it? We will blend it well, and one side we will paint it like this. On the other side we will apply sap green on the inside and light green on the outside. Make sure to do it carefully. The color shouldn't go outside the boundary. Then we will blend both sides nicely. After that we will take white and apply it to the side like this. One by one we will blend it well from the top and add some shading. Then there you have your leaf. Next we will start painting the leaves. We will apply the light green color first, then white, and blend it well. Then we will take a brush with a darker green color to draw a line and blend it from the midline so that the shade is darker on the inside and lighter on the outside. After that we will apply lighter shade on the remaining area, blend it well. We will mix it a bit more where we can see the texture because we don't want the texture to be too prominent. Here's our lovely pansy flower and its design. I hope this classes has been really beneficial for you. If you liked the video, please give it a quick like. Let me know in the comment how you find this video. Share this class with your friends and family. If you are new, make sure to subscribe this channel. I'm adding a line here. For this you will use liner brush. So these are the veins I am adding the leaves for the detailing of the design. Now practice this flower again and again. You can share your practice work on my Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp. Let me know which flower do you want to see in the next classes. See you in the next class. Until then, take care. Keep practicing. Bye bye.